نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما اللهم انفعني بما علمتني وعلمني ما ينفعني. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Previous lecture was a good tongue twisting exercise. We have two more lists to complete this set. First one is hu hum anta antum ana nahnu. It means he, they, you all, I, we. And when you combine them, who means he, whom means they, anta you, antum you all, ana I, nahnu we. And the other list is allathi allathina, dhalika ulaika, hadha haulai. And we have three more words in this list: allati, tilka, hadhihi. And allati is feminine of allathi, tilka is feminine of dhalika, and hadhihi is feminine of hadha. And this completes our list. In the next video, we'll start studying Quran. Before that, memorize all the words inside out. I mean, you should be able to recall English from Arabic and Arabic from English. And one last thing before you may understand, above 70% of Quran is extracting root words. We need to extract root words because we have memorized only its root meaning. So we need to extract root words. In order to extract root words, we need to understand that most of the Arabic words contain exactly three letters. However, these words almost always come combined with other letters like astaghfar, yu'minun, bil akhirati, al maghdub, mubarak, anzalnahu, lil muttaqin. Follow these three steps to extract root words. Removal from its end. Hu hum ka kum ina, ha huma hunna, ki kuma kunna. If you have these letters, remove them. If you have ina or una, then remove them. It indicates plural form. Muslim, muslimun. Plural of Muslim is muslimun. So ina and una is added to make a word plural. And the third one is ta marbuta. This generally indicates feminine. If a word contains ta marbuta, remove it. Now the second rule is removal from the beginning of the word. First one is bi, li, a, ka. Bi means by, li means for, a is used to ask a question, and ka is for. Ka means for, it's like for example. So black is a good substitute to memorize bi, li, a, ka. Black. Now remove al. Al means the. And finally remove ya, ta, na, sa, ma, fa. Ya, ta, na we have already read in fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alda, fa'altum, and you know its meaning. Seen is used to indicate something of future, or similarly mim is used to indicate place, person or thing. Salama means to submit. Muslim means person who submit. Sajda means to do sajda, and masjid means place where we do sajda. Iman means to believe. Mu'min means person who believes. So mim is used to indicate person, place or thing. Fa we have already read. Fa means then. After doing step number 1 and 2, you will remain with almost 3 letters. If you get less than 3 letters, then you have to add alif, waw or ya at appropriate place. And this is tricky one. Alif, waw, ye and ya are always the tricky one. If you get more than 3 letters, remove alif, waw or ya. If it is 3 letters, then most probably this is your answer. This might seem complicated, but in practice it is very easy. It is so easy that very soon extraction of root words will be natural. So too much of theory, let's quickly analyze following words. Astaghfar, it consists of alif, sin, ta, ghain, fa, alif, ra, 7 letters. So we have to remove 4 letters. The first one is to remove from the end. Let's check if there is hu, hum, ka, kum, ina. There is none. There is no ina or una either. Also there is no ta marbuta. So we have nothing to remove from its end. Now let's remove from the front. Alif is removable. When alif is removed, then we can move to sin. Then we have sin, that is also removable. Then we have ta, that is also removable. Then we have ghain, that is not removable. So we have to stop here. Only after the first letter is removed, we can remove the second letter. If first letter is not removed, we cannot remove the second letter. Now we are left with ghafar, ghain, fa, alif, ra. So third rule is to add or remove alif, waw or ya. In this case we will remove alif. So we have got the root word ghafara, which means forgiveness. Let's check our second word, yu'minun. It consists ya, hamza, mim, noon, waw, noon. 6 letters. So we have to remove 3 letters. From the end we can remove una. Now we are left with yu'min. Now only 1 letter is to be removed. From start we can remove ya. And here is our 3 letters, hamza, mim, noon. Hamza, mim, noon are also removable, but only after ya is removed we may get an opportunity to remove alif, hamza, mim or noon. So after removing ya, we remain with 3 letters, and that's complete our extraction. And the root word is iman, hamza, mim, noon, which means to believe. The next word is bil akhirah. Our third word is bil akhirah, bil akhirati. From the in we can remove ta marbuta. From starting we can remove b, which means by. We can also remove al means the, and hence we are left with akhir, three letter word, which means last. The next word is al maghdub. There is nothing to remove from the end. There is al, we can remove al from the starting. After we remove al, there is mim. Mim is also removable. We remove mim. Then there is ghain. Ghain is not removable. So we are left with ghain, dad, waw, ba. So our third step is to add or remove alif, waw or ya. So we will remove waw. Hence we are left with ghain, dad, ba. Ghadab. Ghadab means anger. The fifth word is mubarak. Ka is removable. Hu, hum, ka, kum, ina. Ka is removable. We have mim. Mim is also removable. Then we have ba. B is only removable, not ba. So we are left with bar. Unfortunately, this is not our root word. Our root word is baraka. Baraka. Something is replaceable doesn't always mean it will be removed. You will rarely get such words, and soon you will start recognizing them. The next one is lil muttaqeen. This is a tough one. We can remove ina from the ending. Then we have li in the starting. We can remove li. Li means for. Then we can remove al. Al means the. Then we are left with mim, ta, qa. Mim and ta are both replaceable, and in this case they both will be replaced, and we are only left with qaf. And what we want is 3 letter words. So our rule number 3 was, if you get less than 3 letters, then add alif, waw, ya in its appropriate place. and here the root word is waqaya. This is very common pattern, and soon you will start recognizing them too. And the last word is anzalnahu. From the end we can remove who means his, and again we can remove na. After we remove who, we can remove na means we. So we are left with alif nun za lam, and from rule number 1 we can remove alif. So we are left with nazala means send down, to send down. With enough practice, this extraction of root word will get natural. I mean, you'll just look at the word and you'll automatically know the root letters. And this is 50 word list whose root words you need to find out, and all of their answers is in the next slide. And again, to remind you, we have already read the meaning of all these words which we are removing. And the first one was hu hum kakum ina, ha huma hunna kakuma kunna, and its meaning was his, their, your all, my, us, her, their, two, their, all, your, feminine, your two, your all, feminine. The second one was una or ina, that represents plural form. Third one is tamarbuta, which is generally used for feminine. The fourth one was b means by, li means for, a it means I or used to ask a question, ka means for, like for example. And the fifth one is al means the sixth one is ya tana, he, you, we. Meme, it is used for place, person or thing. Seen, this is used to represent future or to seek something. Previously